Good day everyone, good day Sir Steven. We are the Dragonfly and this is our Sprint 11 for our project. So first we're gonna look each member's contribution for Sprint 11's Sprint 11. So first unahin muna natin po si Andaya. Andaya, yung mga naging contribution mo.
Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Yung ginawa ko po ngayong mga nakaraang linggo po, is ang pag-test sa aming system gamit functionality testing. And also another task na ginawa ko po is yung paggagawa po ng testing matrix for functionality testing ng aming system. And then ngayong week naman na to po, ang ginawa ko naman po is in-update ko po yung mga laman ng aming testing matrix for functionality testing and also for integration testing. Yun lang po.
Okay, so next naman natin is si Barcelos Kevin. Wait lang. Okay, Kevin, explain.
Sa akin naman po is, last week, inayos ko yung system to be able to run on our local host, our XM. And temporarily disable ko muna yung pag-request ng SMS API. And for this week, lagyan ko ng changes from bank teller for repeat transactions and yung sa password validation ng mga kapag mga change password or register, sinantay ko yun na only visible lang sila kapag hindi pa met or after ng 8 length. And change ko rin yung time zone sa database to match the Asia and Manila.
Okay, so next naman natin si Gomez. Wait lang. Okay, Gomez.
So, yung naging contribution ko po this sprint is yung pag-fix po ng button sa user transaction history. Yung ginawa ko po is mas pinagsama-sama ko po sila konti para po hindi pa natatabunan yung pinaka main function ng transaction history, which is yung mga history po ng mga transaction. Yun lang po.
Okay po, next naman is ako po, si Uy. So, ang mga naging contribution ko po for this sprint is inayos ko lang po yung UI ng user dashboard namin since may mga, again, nung last time na nagpa-consult kami kay sir, may mga comments siya doon na goods na yung functionalities namin, yung mga UI na lang for better user experience. So, para sa mga color, sa pag-blend, para sa mas maganda siya tignan sa mata. So, yung inayos ko din yun. Tapos, yung mga ibang parts ng mobile responsive po. So, proceed na po tayo sa sprint ceremony po. So, sprint ceremony 11. So, ang sprint ceremony 11 po namin, ang sprint 11 percentage completion is 4/5. So, bali, 80% po siya since wala pa po kami user manuals from the, na-carry out po namin yung nakaraang sprint, which is yung sa sprint 9. Then, overall project percentage is 93.18%. And what went well? So, the team managed to complete the task within the planned time frame, mostly by July 5, showing effective time management. Each task clearly assigned to specific team members, ensuring accountability and smooth collaboration. So, Since hindi po namin na-meet si sir or kayo po sir, hindi po namin kayo na-meet last week. So, hindi naman po kami ganon parang naggahol po sa time sa paggawa po ng project namin. Since yun nga po, UI na lang yung kulang namin and more on okay na po yung functionalities namin. So, next is what could be improved. So, while all tasks are completed, some bug-related issues were encountered during development which affected progress and required additional time for resolution. So, may mga times po or may mga parts po sa codes namin na may kailangan pa din po ng debugging since nagkakaroon po kami ng conflicts. Pero nagagawa din naman po namin siya agad. Nare-resolve din naman po namin agad yung mga conflicts and nade-debug naman po namin agad. And lastly is what needs to be done. So, the team should now focus on preparing for upcoming week system project defense. The team should organize presentation materials, assign speaking roles, and be ready to demonstrate the system clearly and confidently during the defense. So, according nga po sa adjustment po ng timeline ng project presentation natin, next week po is defense na namin and mostly, yun nga po, sa pagkakaano nga po ng sprint ceremony namin, nasa 93% na po kami. So, by next week po, for sure po na nasa 100% or complete na po yung project namin and preparation na lang po kami mismo ng group mates ko for defense po. And that's all for our sprint 11 for our project. Thank you po.